me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need.
Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair looking from this to this. So this video I used just two products. I used the TRESemme shampoo and silicone mix, and I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair from old and raggedy to beautiful and luxury. So make sure you guys keep on watching, okay? Okay guys, from this clip you guys can see that I am detangling the hair. I'm making sure I'm taking out all of the knots. I'm just going to keep detangling it until I feel like it is right. You guys take notes, you cannot put tangled hair inside water, if not it's going to be like a huge mess. These are the two products that I'm going to be using for this video. So first off, I'm starting off with using lukewarm water. You guys make sure your water is not too hot or too cold. Just make sure that you're using lukewarm water when washing or revamping your hair. So I'm just, putting in the shampoo. You guys can see that I'm using TRESemme shampoo. This is like one of my favorite shampoos. So I'm making sure I put a generous amount because I need more of that shampoo to take out the dirt from the hair. This is me putting in the hair from the roots, and I'm going to work my way up. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that I soak the hair, and I'm going to use my hands to run through the hair to remove any dirt, any gel, any hairspray that has been in the hair. And of course you guys know that this hair has been like, I've not used this hair for like 6 months. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch to see what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so now I am going to use my brush and I'm going to start detangling my hair from the roots. I'm going to work my way up. Make sure while combing your hair, you make sure that you're starting from the roots, because you guys, if you try and start combing your hair from the top, I promise you it's going to tangle. So this is me just squeezing out all of that yuck and all of that, dirtiness from my hair. And I'm going to pour the water away, and I'm going to rinse this hair. You guys, make sure you rinse your hair. This is me rinsing the hair. Okay guys, you guys can see that I am rinsing my hair for the second time because I need all of that residue from the shampoo out of the hair. We need to rinse the hair. We need to make sure we're preparing the hair properly before we apply our silicone mix. So yeah, rinse your hair properly. Make sure the water is clear. Once the water is clear, then you know that okay, the hair is ready for the silicone mix. Make sure you squeeze out all of that water from the hair because we need the hair to be very dry before applying our silicone mix. And yeah, the moment we all have been waiting for the silicone mix. So now that our hair is properly dry, I'm going to take lots. When I say lots, you guys, I mean lots. I'm going to take a very generous amount of that silicone mix, and I'm going to apply it on the hair. You guys will notice that while applying the silicone mix on my hair, you can see that the silicone mix is staying on. That's because there's no water on the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the silicone mix and taking more because this stuff is what is going to transform your hair from looking raggedy to making it glow, making it gorgeous, making it shine. And yeah, I'm going to apply that generously, and I'm going to start brushing the hair right now. So while I'm detangling the hair, you guys can see that the hair is the brush is going through the hair very smoothly. There's no gallops, there's no pause, there's nothing stopping the hair. That's because I applied lots of silicone mix on my hair, so you guys could see that the hair is really nice. And yeah, you guys should just keep on watching. Whoo, look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that hair. The silicone mix is in the hair is glowing. There's enough silicone mix in the hair. So moving on, we're going to be putting that hair inside a plastic bag. If you guys don't have a plastic bag, you can use a Ziploc bag. A Ziploc bag is also good as a plastic bag. I just prefer using a plastic bag because it's very easy to dispose. So yeah, I'm going to double up the plastic bag because I need that baby to be airtight. You guys, make sure you're doubling up whatever you're using. If you're using a Ziploc bag, if you're using a plastic bag, just make sure you double up. So now I'm going to be setting up my timer, and I'm going to set it up for 10 hours, you guys. 10 hours. We need that thing sitting, baby. Okay guys, so this is me after 10 hours. So I'm going to open up the bag so you guys can see what the hair looks like. Okay guys, so now this is the hair after 10 hours of absorbing all of that silicone mix. So now we're going to move on to rinsing all of that silicone mix out of the hair, because once your hair is dry and the silicone mix is not properly out of the hair, you're going to have white flakes on your hair, and trust me, you don't want that ugly white flakes. So make sure you rinse all of that out, and make sure you leave your hair to dry. I normally leave my hair to air dry. I do not ever dry my hair with heat, because you guys, we're trying to revamp this hair. We don't want any heat on the hair for now until it's time for styling. So you guys just watch me while I rinse the hair. You guys can see that my hair is properly rinsed. I have taken out all of that silicone mix out of the hair. So now I'm going to leave my hair to dry overnight, and I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like after. My hair looks like after letting it dry, so you guys can see that it is gorgeous. I'm going to style my hair and get back to you guys. This is the end of this video. As you guys can see, my hair is glowing, and I hope you guys did learn one or two. So please, if you did enjoy, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye my loves.